Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Just close your eyes on it.
And I just got a new Keybroud, but I haven't unboxed it yet. But my sister's about to bring it to me, so
Close your eyes.
I am
They're closed?
all the way.
You sure?
Yep.
Open.
Oh my God, this is what it is, guys.
We both got our hair done today.
Yeah, I got braids.
I got hair.
Singles, but okay, guys, look at this bad boy. And this is the keyboard that I normally play with.
Isn't that
And this
60% keyboard?
And this is the keyboard that sorry, guys. And this is the keyboard that I'm playing with, that I'm about to play with right now.
Can I help you? Unbox it.
Yeah. So
Wait,
how
much was this? It's $22.
And this is yeah.
And by the way, you guys, if you want to know where he got that, he
I got it
that
from
from Amazon.
Okay, guys.
Guys, they be selling the stuff there.
Okay, so I'm gonna move my old keyboard and unplug it. Okay, so I'm gonna move it and then.
Can you go get a knife? I think wait, no.
Okay, we're unboxing it right now.
Ow.
You good?
It's just my nails aren't working.
Hey, just go get a knife.
Wait, maybe I can use scissors.
Okay. So. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I got scissors.
And it's white. It's not black. It's white.
That's just a box.
Yeah, that's just a box. I got it in white.
Didn't you get in blue?
No, I got it in white. Oh. I wanted to get it in blue, but I got it in white. Here, I'll hold it so you can pull. No. Alright. You got it? Oh, I got this part though, because there's a part right here.
The box is so hard. Did I cut myself? No, I didn't.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. Now we need to get this part. Hold on.
I could literally open that part.
You sure?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Oh my God, guys.
2.
Wait, don't click it. Don't click it yet. Don't click it. Okay. See, this is what the keyboard looks like. Sound check. Sound check.
Oh! It sounds like Rosalina. Let's go show mommy. We'll be right back, guys.
We'll be right back. Hold on. Hold on. Don't go. Don't show her yet.
Hey guys.
Okay, so that's what it sounds like, and I'm about to plug it in for the honors. Oh my God!
Mommy!
We got it! Here's the manager for I'm gonna try to find a thing for the changing the
It should come with a remote, right?
No. Switch light effects. 1-4, okay. Oh my God, that sounds so
I think you're supposed to hold it down.
No.
Right?
It sounds so good.
Look at
It sounds so good.
Oh.
It sounds so good.
But how are you recording?
Oh, because I got it a recorder. But that's what it looks like.
Okay.
And then here's what it sounds like.
That's cool.
I know, right?
And then that pulls up that. Okay, let me look at this more to see.
Yeah, I'll read it for you.
No, I want to see because to change the light effect, it is.
Belly so big where the Lord isn't fine.
Okay.
It's just this long one. And go follow me on TikTok. It's Yo Kiddo Breaks. XX. That's my TikTok account. I haven't made any posts yet because I don't know.
I'm trying to find it. Hold on. I'm trying to find it.
Alright, when are we gonna go to John and Jason's again?
when everyone's allowed to go back over there.
Wait, they're not. No one's allowed to go back over there.
No,
Why?
because she doesn't want everyone over there.
Bro, now you have this. Can I play on your laptop with your old
Keyboard?
Yeah,
Yeah,
or your mini keyboard or something that you have.
yeah. This is so
Can
cool.
this connect to your laptop?
Yeah. You could get one for Christmas.
I wish, but I already got stuff for I already have too much things on my Christmas list. Cause she's trying to get us it. And
Oh, that's how you change it.
She's already doing this on Amazon.
Yo, this is...
Ooh, what color are you gonna change it? I think you should change it to this color.
I accidentally bring up this.
Oh, this is mad cool.
Okay, so this is what this color looks like, and then this is what... Hold on, I have to try to find the key again. It was... I have to try to find the key again. I have to try to find the key.
JJ, you're doing something.
No, that's just a file.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm gonna clean your laptop off with just water.
No, don't. Because then it might get in the thing. Okay, so that's what it looks like.
You got small.
So, yeah, guys, and look how small this is compared to my other keyboard.
What?
This is so small. And then look at that keyboard right there.
It's the size. Let's compare it.
We're gonna compare my old keyboard to my new keyboard. This is my old. This is my new.
Oh my, it's so. I'll hold
so-
this one.
This is my new. That's my old.
This one, I think you got this.
This is my first mechanical keyboard.
I think this is the one you got for your birthday
Yeah.
when you were turning.
Okay. Bye, guys. I might do gameplay later. So, bye.
Oh.
Bye. My sister wanted to say something.
And also go follow my TikTok account. And later today, I'm gonna be playing on his laptop. And yeah. Play with him. Unless he's like playing Fortnite or something. Yeah. And I can't play on my Nintendo because it's the old season and I haven't played with it in a long time. And I keep updating it, but we gotta figure out something. So, and I don't know how to delete stuff. So if you have tips in the comments, just make sure you tell me how to delete apps on Nintendo. So. Bye!
Bye.